Welcome to My Natural Hair Delight, where you can enjoy rocking your natural hair with all natural ingredients. In today's video, I am unboxing some new things, and I had to rush and get some other stuff from my cabinet really fast. But in today's video, I'm going to show you all of what I am unboxing today. This is for all of you who are tuning into my channel, and also for those of you who have been purchasing my products. I am so thankful to be able to provide natural hair care and hair growth products for you all that is going to help and transform your hair like never before. Okay, I have my thank you bubble mailers for all of you who have purchased and are going to purchase My Natural Hair Delight products. You will be receiving some beautiful bubble mailers. I also have my shea butter, which is the base of the hair growth butters, and which I would highly recommend to use, especially if you want to moisturize your scalp. And this is a wonderful hair grease replacement. I also have some moringa powder, fenugreek powder, and I also have clove powder and rosemary powder. Okay, you can do this at your own dispense. You can do this as a DIY. I do have a few tutorials of how to make your own hair growth butter, how to make your own hair growth oil. I have my candelilla wax here. I got some more powders. I think that's the clove powder. Yep, that's the clove powder. And yes, I am so excited to share this with you all because I believe that your hair will grow tremendously when you use all natural hair growth ingredients on your hair. Okay, I have my containers here. I have a bunch of containers. I mean, like, it's available for everyone. So if you go to my website, I recently had like pre-order buttons under the products, simply because I want to make sure that all of you are able to pre-order, even though I had recently sold out on all of my products because I had sold out at a Black History event. And so that was wonderful, but now I want to be able to have more for you all. That is the rosemary powder, by the way. So yes, so I have my hair growth butter containers here, and eventually I will upgrade my containers, but for right now, this is what my hair growth butter containers look like. And I have my thank you cards for all of the customers, all of you who will be purchasing from my website and who has been purchasing from my website at mynaturalhairdelight.com. This is a special thank you to you, and you will be receiving discounts on your next order. Please like, share, and subscribe to My Natural Hair Delight, and I will be posting more videos every Wednesday at 3, okay? So stay tuned. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. We'll talk to you all again soon. Bye-bye.